all the way to Denmark.
That's not that far actually.
Okay, so welcome to Dover. It's an absolutely wonderful evening here in the UK, raining as usual. Our ferry's in about an hour. We're looking for the toilets and we have no idea where they are. They're somewhere here. We'll catch up with you more than likely somewhere in northern France, maybe even Belgium, depends how long we sleep for, in the car when we get off the ferry.
Mine.
What, both of them?
Of course.
Welcome to the Netherlands, I think we're in. I think we missed the sign. Coming along the motorway, we were kind of half asleep. Most of the night was like, you know, rest stop, 3 hours sleep, which wasn't very good, and then move on. But yeah, it's the morning now. We've got to reach just outside Hamburg for today. That's where our first stop for the night is, and that is a cool place. So you'll see that in a minute. Let's proceed onwards.
Lunchtime or whatever, I have no idea what time it is.
It is, oh my watch is wrong, it's 1 o'clock.
Exactly, you don't know what time it is.
It's 1 o'clock, so we're going to eat. We're about half an hour from Bremen in Germany, and the next time you will see us, we shall be in our mystery overnight location. So 3, 2, 1.
We're staying in the first yurt, guys! It's a yurt, look! It's a yurt. So as part of filming our alternative living accommodations series, which will be coming out next year, we have booked to stay in this amazing traditional Mongolian yurt. So it's our first year ever, and if you would like to basically see the full tour of this yurt, then subscribe below because that will be coming out. And yurt, look, let's have just a quick peek of a few stuff inside anyway, but not too much because that'll take the whole video. Maybe a few videos. So this Mongolian yurt is near Hamburg in Germany. So yeah, Mongolia has come to Hamburg. Woohoo! We'll link it down below in the description. It's from Airbnb and the hosts are amazing, very polite, and there's literally everything that we need here. Check out the tour if you want to know what you know, how this yurt works. There is a toilet in the outhouse and a kitchen, which is perfectly good to get to and use. Yeah, so we are 2 days away from reaching Malmo. Was that it? I've got my timeline wrong.
Yeah, 2 days away. Oh no, 1 day away.
No, so we reach Malmo tomorrow, and then we need to practice some driving.
Yep.
Because Moa has not driven in more than 2 years.
And I have not driven on the other side of the road before. Neither of you, actually. So.
No, I haven't. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be hiring a small car to practice driving on the other side of the road. Mainly him, because he's gonna be doing most of the driving. By the way, if you're new here, him is Sam. He's behind the camera right now. Hi.
Hello.
And if you're new here, subscribe. Why not? Wait, look at yours here.
Let's get some work done.
I've been locked out.
Yes, you have.
Good thing I put my scarf on. So we're off to charge the camera battery. Or the spare camera battery.
And put our food that's in here in the fridge. And refreeze the ice blocks. So the butter doesn't melt.
So it's like midnight, maybe 1 o'clock, I'm not sure. My schedule is totally off. The year's great. It's like sleeping in a luxury tent. The wood burner plus there's a radiator here. The two together just make it so toasty warm. Actually it's hot as well, but better hot than freezing. I just went for a midnight, mid 1 o'clock stroll to the toilet because the toilet is in the outhouse. Point that's like, you know, you have to get dressed and go out and then unlock the door and then do your business and then come back. That's quite a brave feat. Morning.
How are you this morning?
Fine. I need a shower.
And hence the get up.
Taking a shower, as with any camping situation, it's absolutely freezing on the way there. Hence you have to get yourself all cocooned. The air was good, it was warm. As long as the fire was up. The electric heater wasn't that good, to be perfectly honest. It was right next to me and I could barely feel the heat, but the fire did its job very well.
Light on.
So, by the way, this is day 2 of our road trip to Malmo. Just in case you don't know that. What day is it?
Monday.
It's Monday?
Yeah. We set off on Saturday. We slept on the ferry Saturday night. We slept here Sunday night. It is now Monday, day 3.
But they don't really know that we set when we set off. It was barely a blip. It's day 2.5. Let's compromise. Shower done. On to Denmark. So what we're doing is we're soon crossing over into Denmark, and as far as we know, Denmark is more expensive. So while we're still in Germany, we're just stocking up on a few last minute things, like we want to buy more eggs, and
Actually with some green herbs.
that wasn't the plan, but now it is. I think it's safe to say we should have gone for breakfast first.
We just had lunch and now we're probably going to fall asleep in the car until we hit Denmark.
Run!
Or do that.
Run!
Run all the way to Denmark.
That's not that far actually. We are officially in Sweden. Magic! I only took a video.
I'm here, I'm staying here now. Only took 2 days and 1 video and probably under 10 minutes of your time. 2 days of our time.
Oh, I thought it was 3.
3 days. 2.5, 3 days, yeah, something like that. And tomorrow, moi, and actually you, we're both going driving for the first time on the other side of the road, which should be an experience because we're going to be driving a van for a month. Probably should learn, first of all, in a car, and secondly, how to drive on the other side of the road. Apparently it's the same, just everything's in reverse. We'll see how true that is tomorrow when I give it a go.
We are here, we're gonna be driving, and you're gonna be driving with us, and do not distract us, because we need to be careful. Yeah, okay. Good night, see you next video.